Don't make someone else's life difficult, because Allah will make yours difficult. Create ease for other people. Help them. Talk to them with respect. See what happens to you. Your family members, speak properly to them. Watch your tongue. The way you talk, sometimes what you are saying is right, but the way you are saying it is so horrible. It hurts people, it offends them. They don't want to be in your company. Do you think the angels want to be in your company? Wallahi, they don't. When someone is down, don't slap them further down. Think of, how can I empower this person? How can I bring them up again? You bring someone up, Allah will bring you even higher. Subhanallah. You want the help of Allah, help another person. Allah will help you. You want wealth, give something to someone. See how Allah returns it to you tenfold. He promises that to you. The Prophet ﷺ says very clearly, look at those who are lower than you. You don't have shoes. Look at those who don't even have feet. Look at those who don't have legs. They cannot walk. Subhanallah. A powerful person is not one who can punch up others and out wrestle them. That's not power. That's just what everyone else would probably do. The real strength is the one who can control himself when he's angry. Allahu Akbar.